friends, welcome to our channel. Recently, a very renowned publisher, Katha, sent me these 3 amazing books. Katha is very well known for publishing books for children of every age. I have read all these 3 books, and in today's video, I am going to share my views about these. These books are available on Amazon. If you want to buy these books, I have given the link in the description box below. The title of this book is On the Tip of the Pen Was, and it is written by Katha. I love the cover page of this book. As you can see, it is well illustrated and Tip's eye is like a needle. It's looking very attractive. Let's look inside. Friends, this book is all about wormholes, and this is a long worm over here. Again, there is a wordplay like pin, tip, pur. Pintipur had 20 houses and 20 children with a lion, a cow, a goat and a pig. Likewise, there are a lot of fun words in this book, like so loud. Now here again it's getting bigger, and here tall is written so long. Likewise, everything in this book is written in an interesting manner, and the pictures are also so beautiful. It is so much fun to read this book. And here, drip, drop, drips are written in a drop shape. I enjoyed this book a lot, and I am sure that you will also enjoy this colorful book. Here comes my green book titled Who Wants Green Fingers Anyway? This book is also written by Katha. Looking at the cover page, we can easily guess that this book is all about plants. This book is all about a little girl who is sharing her funny family saga. Let's open it. There are lovely pictures in this book, and they are so funny. There are voices also, like thong, thong. I laughed a lot when I was reading this book, and it is written so beautifully that I can imagine what is happening. If you want to read a light book, then you can certainly read this one because it is so hilarious. Interesting book is The Story of Gadud. It is originally written by Roberto Calasso, and it is retold by Katha. I love to read and listen to mythology stories, and I found this book interesting. I was curious to know what is the story of Gadud. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside it. This story is about the mighty bird Gadud, and he is trying to save his mother. The story of Gadud has been well explained in this book, and it was very informative for me. This book is another addition to my mythology books. I can read this book again and again, and I will never get bored. If you like mythology books, then I'm sure you'll like this book a lot. I enjoyed a lot reading these 3 books, and I suggest you should also check out the books by Katha. If you want to buy these books, I've given the link in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed watching our today's video. Please like, subscribe and share our videos with your friends and family. Bye.